In this video we see a true battle for survival. As you can see from the surrounding vegetation, this area is very dry. So even though elephants and rhinos generally do not compete for resources, in this case, the watering hole is what the competition is about. Both these giants of the savanna needs to drink daily to survive, so neither is willing to share the precious water. The elephant pierces the side of the rhino with its tusk, leaving a big gaping hole. The good news is that rhinos get injuries like this often when fighting among themselves for territory, so chances are, this rhino would survive just fine.